Space, the final frontier that continues to amaze us. These 5 discoveries didn't just advance our understanding of the cosmos, they fundamentally changed how we see our place in the universe. For decades, black holes existed only in equations and artistic interpretations. That changed on April 10th, 2019, when humanity finally saw one. The image came from the heart of galaxy M87, 55 million light-years away. What we're seeing is a monster, a supermassive black hole with a mass of 6.5 billion suns. The glowing ring of light, spanning 100 billion kilometers, shows superheated gas on the edge of no return. This wasn't just a photograph. It took 8 radio telescopes across 4 continents, synchronized with atomic clocks, working as one Earth-sized telescope. Over 5 days, they collected 5 petabytes of data, enough to store 5,000 years of MP3 music. Mars wasn't always the red desert we see today. In 2018, radar scans revealed a massive underground lake of liquid water near the southern pole, buried 1.5 kilometers beneath the ice. But that was just the beginning. We now know Mars has multiple underground lakes. The surface shows dried up river valleys, ancient lake beds, and minerals that only form in water. Most intriguingly, we've found recurring slope lineae, dark streaks that appear and disappear seasonally, suggesting liquid water might still flow on Mars today. This changes everything about potential past or present life on Mars. As NASA's Michael Meyer put it, "Follow the water and you'll find the story of Mars." "40 light-years away lies a star system that rewrote our expectations of planetary systems. TRAPPIST-1 hosts 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a tiny red dwarf star, with 3 in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist. What makes this system extraordinary isn't just the number of planets, it's their arrangement. They orbit in a precise mathematical resonance, like notes in a cosmic symphony. A year on the innermost planet is just 1.5 Earth days. The outermost completes its orbit in 19 days. This compact system gives us an unprecedented opportunity to study potentially habitable worlds. The James Webb Space Telescope is now analyzing their atmospheres, searching for signs of life. On September 14th, 2015, the universe quite literally rang like a bell, and for the first time in history, we heard it. LIGO detected gravitational waves from 2 black holes merging 1.3 billion light-years away. These waves are ripples in space-time itself, predicted by Einstein a century ago. The collision released more energy in a fraction of a second than all the stars in the observable universe combined. Yet when these waves reached Earth, they moved LIGO's mirrors by just 1,000th the width of a proton. This discovery opened a new era in astronomy. We can now hear the universe, detecting events invisible to traditional telescopes. Since then, we've observed dozens of cosmic collisions, including the spectacular merger of 2 neutron stars that created gold and platinum. In 2015, when New Horizons reached Pluto after a 9-year journey, nobody expected to find what we saw. The dwarf planet revealed itself as a complex world with mountains of water ice, frozen nitrogen glaciers, and a giant heart-shaped basin named Tombor Regio. This heart isn't just beautiful, it's active. The left lobe, Sputnik Planitia, is a vast plain of frozen nitrogen that drives Pluto's weather. As nitrogen ice sublimes and refreezes, it creates atmospheric pressure equivalent to Mars, despite Pluto's tiny size. The heart might even influence Pluto's tilt and rotation through its mass. It's a perfect example of how the solar system continues to surprise us, showing complex geology where we least expect it. These discoveries remind us that the universe is stranger and more wonderful than we imagined. Each answer leads to new questions, pushing us to explore further. As NASA's chief scientist James Green said, "We're not just rewriting the textbooks, we're writing whole new ones. What mysteries will we uncover next? The cosmos keeps calling, and humanity keeps answering. Our journey of discovery is far from over." Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more interesting space videos weekly.